This is Speaker Zell. And what is this? Mukin. So, magbe-video kami ng vlog. Magbe-vlog kami. Let's go. So, ayun. Ito, nanonood kami ng avatars. Pero, tignan niyo yung sounds. Aray mo, pakak, natamaan siya. So, guys, subukan mo ako paluin, bitch. Bye!